Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up a Java development environment in Ubuntu Lucid Lynx. I will install Eclipse. Download Eclipse. You can download the second one. I'm going to download the first one, which in addition to Java developing, it provides also support for web services, JPA, Java server faces. So let's press the link. I will download using BitTorrent. You can also use this the link above it. Open with transmission and add. Okay, now it will start the download. It's going to take about a couple of hours to complete. Okay, I'll get back to it later. While it's downloading, let's go back to the previous page and see that it requires a Java runtime environment, JRE, in order to run Eclipse. The requirement is for Java 5 JRE. This is the recommendation. So let's see if we have Java on this machine. If not, if we don't have a Java runtime environment, or for Java development we'll need a Java developer kit, JDK. If we don't have it, we will have to install. So we'll open a terminal and run the command java -version. Okay, and I can see that I have Java 6. 1.6 means Java 6, 1.5 means Java 5, and 1.4 means 1.4, not 4. Okay, I have Java 6 and I have a JDK, so I will not need to install anything, probably. It might be good to install Java 5 because they recommend Java 5. In this case we'll search for it in Sun, but I will first try to see how Eclipse works with this JDK. Okay, download is complete, and now I will open it. Let's see, we've got extract here. What's that? Open with Archive Manager. I guess we've got a lot of ways to open it. I can show you how to do it with the command line. Okay. On draw decay, okay. Close. Okay, so let's run Eclipse for the first time. Double click. Okay, now it's starting. Eclipse Galileo. Okay, it asks me where to put the workspace under Eclipse, and I don't want him to ask me the same question every time. Enterprise Edition. Okay, whatever. Let's start first project. File, new, application client project. We'll write a simple Hello World. Project name can be test. Next. Next, create a default main class. We can do it and finish. Okay. Okay, double click on main.java. This is the default main class that it creates, and it has, I don't need this one, it has a main method. Let's just print something to the screen. System out println and test. And now let's run it. There are different ways to run it. Run it as a Java application, and here you can see that it ran and it wrote tests. Let's see how to debug it. I will write a simple loop for int I equals 0. I will run until 5 I++, print test, plus we can print the number. We will run it. Okay, it completed very fast. It ran 5 times from 0 to 4. We can add a breakpoint here, and let's debug it. To debug we press F11. I will press F11, and it tells me that it needs to change the perspective. If I like, I will of course select the default. And okay, we are over here. In order to debug, we can click, where is it, F5 to step into a method. If I had a method here, I don't want to do it, I will step over. Okay, so over here we can see that I has the value, you can see it's 0. I will press F6 one time, I becomes 1. The second time, after pressing F6 again, it printed it. Test, I will press F6 again, and then it ended. To get back to the previous view, to write something more complicated, I clicked on this icon. Okay, let's close Eclipse. And let's now open it again, just to see how it looks to open it in the second time. Okay, it was pretty quick. We've got it. We can run it again. Okay, it completed. Debug and write something a little more complicated. If you want to learn a little more about how to develop in Java, I can recommend this guy. He's called the New Boston, and he's got great Java tutorials. Yesterday I searched a little bit and I saw 2 of his videos. They're great. That's it. I hope this tutorial helped you. Feel free to comment or rate.